Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front shock absorbers on BMW E39. When you remove the shock absorbers, you can then replace the spring and the strut support mount as well. First, we'll start by removing the wheel. Next, we need to remove the twist rod where it's connected to the shock up there, and also we need to remove the bolt that holds the shock absorber to the wheel hub. We'll use a wrench size 16 to hold the twist rod while we remove the nut. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, I'm going to remove the bolt that holds the shock absorber to the wheel hub. I'm going to use a wrench to hold the nut while I remove the bolt with the pneumatic gun. Now that the bolt is removed, I need to open this up with this special tool so that we can get the shock absorber loose and we can remove it from the wheel hub. Now that the shock is loose, we'll bring down the wheel hub and the shock absorber should come out. And that's the shock absorber almost out of the wheel hub. Now we're going to remove the 3 bolts that hold the shock absorber on top. These are the 3 bolts right there, but first we need to remove the 2 bolts for this bar and remove the bar so that we have access to the 3rd bolt for the shock absorber as well. And now we have access to the 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Now that we removed all the bolts, we can take out the shock absorber. In order to remove the shock absorber now from the wheel hub, we need to push the wheel hub down and bring the shock absorber up, and then we can take it out. Now that the shock is out, we can replace whatever is needed, either the spring, the strut support mount, or the shock, and then we can install the shock back on the car. I have a video of how exactly we change the shock and the spring and everything. You can find it in the channel. Here I'm going to show you now how to put the new shock absorber back on. First we're going to put the lower part of the shock into the wheel hub, and then we're going to bring the shock up so that we can get the 3 bolts on top. Next we go on the bottom, and we're going to bring the wheel hub up as much as possible, and then we're going to remove this tool, and that means that it will get tight, the wheel hub will get tight around the shock absorber. Now that we remove the special tool, the shock can't go up and down anymore, and now we can put on the bolt and tighten it. Then we're going to put the twist rod back on and assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.